Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A71, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down and open general management, and here you should pick language and input. Go to the language, and by tapping on add language you can select something from the wide list of languages. So as you can see here, you've got plenty of them and you can use whichever you only want to have. So let me pick Croatian, then select the region, I will pick this one, and then just click set as default. So as you can see now, everything is in Croatian, the whole menu, the icons, settings, everything. This is it. And then if you would like to go back to English or change language one more time, you just go to the settings, locate and open general management, pick languages and input, go to the languages, and now you can either swipe English up like this to make it the default language, and as you can see it has been already changed, or you can permanently delete Croatian or some other language, whichever you picked, by tapping on edit, selecting it, and then tapping on remove. So this is it, that would be all. As you can see now we are back in English, everything is in English, and this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change language in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.